Okay, go. Hey, what's up, guys? We're going to do another unboxing videos, and we were doing some unboxing, and look what we got. So we got we got this. I'm only gonna show you guys the good cards. We got this.
Hold it up to show it.
Okay, and we're gonna be opening the white Kyurem and black Kyurem battle arena decks. So let's get started. And Luke is going to be reviewing the black Kyurem, and I'll review the white.
Guys, as you can see,
let's get started, guys.
As you can see, our dad hides our remotes as it's under the blanket.
Can you guys sit closer? I can't capture both of you in the video.
So let's get started.
Yes.
I made these rips up here, so it's easier.
You know it's all gonna have to come out.
Okay, it can come out now. It can come out on my side.
No, it can't.
Yeah.
Okay,
We're gonna have to rip this.
No, this. And
there. Okay. We have 3. So this is it so far.
And to battle, I have to show you our new coins. Legendary. It's a legendary Kyogre. It's a primal.
Mm-hmm.
So
Did you catch that?
So
Where's the coins? Oh yeah, they're on there. Okay, these are my EX cards.
and that. Here's your coin.
Okay. As you can see,
We each get
here's
a
another
damage.
legendary coin.
Damage counters.
Black
Battle
Kyurem.
mat. It's a battle mat. We really want the battle mat. Where's the battle mat? Where's the battle mat?
Are those supposed to have a battle mat?
It's a battle arena deck, so maybe the battle mats are in here. So you take that one, and I take these.
I feel like there are only just cards in here. Maybe.
There should be a battle deck.
Don't rip it.
Don't rip what?
The box.
So right here we have got 2 different white Kyurems, but they're promos, so they're not as much.
And
What?
this
Who
is
cares?
mine. They both are look pretty.
And then I've got this cool coin right here. Do they look different? Or are they both the same? They look the same. Okay, so I'm gonna open my deck.
Okay, there's no battle mats.
Should be battle mats. It's a battle arena. So first comes the energies. All of these energies. And look, they're all shiny energies.
Okay, I'm on to Pokemon.
Team Rocket. I'll put the Team Rockets over there. Triple, Lipwick, Energies, Anakin.
All stuff like that. Nothing good. Nothing good for a deck.
Wait, Kyurem, Reshiram,
As you can see,
Angus,
he can read, but I can't. Doing some
Anakin, Blaziken.
my
Wah. This deck sucks.
camera. Give me the camera. You have to start doing this more.
Then there's some damage counters.
So,
I'm gonna show you how big the cards throw.
guys, watch him.
No, what? I'll just get that out. Wait, ready, guys? Ready? I'm gonna try to throw it right at the camera.
No.
Why?
You'll hit your brother.
Dang it.
done opening stuff?
Yeah. No. We should have a card throwing trick shots.
Okay, say goodbye.
Bye.